Rebot is an intelligent interactive board shaping the future of education and business with smart learning. With a high-definition interactive display, Rebot has been designed to enhance the effectiveness of the training and learning process by providing all-in-one classroom and conference room solutions. Its interactive features let the user explore and discover his inner creativity and exhibit ideas innovatively. Rebot is super easy to install and operate. A user does not require any technical background to use it. Rebot can be easily placed anywhere without any hassles. With this smart board, classrooms need not have blackboards, projectors, and computers. The revolutionary board focuses on delivering the best in-class features to help educators, students, and working professionals enhance their instructional delivery and learning. The all-in-one interactive board allows users to write and play videos simultaneously in the same frame. One can easily play any video on the board and cut out the important part from it, paste directly onto the space present on the board and explain it in depth. It bestows intelligent technological solutions in one place, aiming to transform the traditional ways of teaching with a digital approach. Available in different sizes including 65 inches, 75 inches, 86 inches and 98 inches. Rebot has a boundless canvas, enabling content creation and subsequent dissemination to participants. This ensures that students are able to pay full attention in the classroom without the need to take notes. The easy customization of content enables users to create a knowledge bank effortlessly for future references. Rebot facilitates the transfer of content files to the recipient using multiple data formats, including PDF, PPT, Excel, PNG, JPEG, etc. Additionally, it provides access to all MS Office applications to easily organize and store the content. High-speed Wi-Fi connectivity makes it easy for the instructor to explain and manage internet-based information. Designed with a screen-to-body ratio of 90%, the immersive display enables the students to concentrate more on the content. Endowed with 4K resolution, Rebot delivers remarkable picture clarity across all operating systems. Its reduced thickness, along with a responsive touch, creates a smooth touch experience and makes the user feel like he is writing on paper. The smart intelligence of the revolutionary board recognizes hand drawing and offers a wide range of illustration options. This feature automatically straightens hand-drawn shapes, resulting in saving time and energy. This smart board has been designed to ease out the user's work and present information smoothly. It is loaded with multiple interactive features, including an inbuilt smart table feature with auto-adaptive height and width in each cell. Access to a ruler, set square or protractor at a single touch. availability of instant stickers to add reminders, etc. Easy search and drag feature allows users to search the content written on whiteboard and drag images from the browser onto the board. Rebot comes with advanced recording features, allowing users to record screens and create a knowledge library. Users can also record lectures by connecting an external camera to capture live teaching classes and easily play the recordings on the board. Additionally, the intelligent board comes with video conferencing tools including MS Teams and Zoom, which are ideal for remote teaching and conferencing. Rebot also provides customized video conferencing software according to the need and preferences of the users. Rebot's video conferencing tool also equips users with the feature of sharing multiple screens. This feature enables different users to share their respective screens simultaneously. To safeguard data privacy, Rebot is incorporated with an encryption system that allows the user to set lock screen passwords and prevent any unauthorized login. The interactive board is well equipped with an uninterrupted power supply. The solar power backup option with a 500-watt inverter, charge controller, batteries, and other safety devices ensures a smooth and constant supply of power throughout. The unique feature makes Rebot desirable for standalone installations and remote locations where power supply is not available consistently. The battery backup can also be used for other purposes like charging camera batteries and mobile phones and lighting the space where Rebot is installed. The diverse features of Rebot have made it ideal for use in teaching, corporate meetings, and presentations. Teaching. Rebot is a powerful computing tool enabling teachers and students to transform traditional ways of learning into easy-to-use technology-driven solutions. It is apt to be used in schools, colleges, universities, coaching institutes, etc. Corporate meeting. Rebot has revolutionized the boardroom meetings with a smart and interactive presentation of ideas. It is conveniently being used for various purposes including in-depth analysis, strategic meetings, conducting training programs, etc. Presentations. Rebot is endowed with smart presentation features. It offers the creation and display of presentations in multiple data formats. It is ideal for school presentations, college assignments, business proposals, etc. Rebot is developed by Ruparo, a renowned company dealing in the manufacturing of defense equipment. Apart from Rebot, Ruparo is diversified in two verticals, namely Ruparo Defense and Ruparo Edutech. Ruparo Defense. Our 80 years of cumulative experience in submarine operations and aviation makes us a trusted partner of the Indian Armed Forces. We not only manufacture and supply defense equipment, but also provide engineering, electrical, and IT solutions. We partner with numerous PSUs, central universities, and government colleges. Besides being an ISO certified company, we have also been awarded numerous other certifications. In 2019, we were recognized by the Ministry of Commerce and are members of leading industry associations. With our pan-India presence, Ruparo Defense is committed to not only innovate, make, maintain, and repair, but much more. Ruparo Edutech. Ruparo Edutech is another vertical of Ruparo, dealing in providing technological solutions for businesses, government, and education. Ruparo Edutech develops user-friendly, technology-driven products like Rebot to ensure a smart and easy learning process. Ruparo Edutech has employed an R&D team to align itself with the government's new education policy, which is NEP. Rebot is focused on providing sustainable technology to the people. With a plethora of advanced features, it is an ideal product for schools and universities to enhance their teaching and learning experiences. Rebot ensures that users have access to all the tools in a single touch to maintain learning continuity where everyone becomes successful. For more information, log on to www.ruparoedutech.com.